we will we will record this. This is the banking of Frontline for 25th July. This will be useful for our interviews. So इसलिए किसका पास इंटरनेट अच्छा है, अच्छा से बात कर सकते हैं? अभी बोलो। अभी देखने से तो जो लास्ट में बात किया राहुल, आपका इंटरनेट सही है?
Yes, sir. I have a Wi-Fi connection.
या तब तो आप खाली यू प्लीज गो थ्रू द हेडलाइंस. We are
Okay.
reading Banking Frontline today's date headlines. Please read Economy and Finance.
Okay. 12.5% LTCG is low compared to global standards, says Finance Secretary Somnath.
See, actually क्या हुआ?
12.5%.
Listen, क्या हुआ? ये बजट में लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल गेन
Capital
LTCG
gain.
को 10% से 12.5 करा दिया. इसी के लिए कुछ ऑब्जेक्शन था. उसका वजह से हमारा फाइनेंस सेक्रेटरी, इनका नाम भी आप लोग याद रखना है, फाइनेंस सेक्रेटरी सोमनाथन, उन्होंने बोला है इट इज बिलो इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स. नाउ प्लीज गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन.
Okay.
सेंटर
Center decides on fiscal consolidation strategy. Later, focus remains on meeting deficit targets.
ओके. नेक्स्ट.
RBI revamps regulatory framework for domestic money transfer service.
ओके. नेक्स्ट. पढ़ो. आप थोड़ा जोर
Axis
से
Bank
पढ़ो.
Quarter 1.
क्यों आप लोग
Yes,
का
sir.
पीछे में कोई बात कर रहे हैं, उसको बीट करके आप अच्छा से बात करना है. बात करो.
Okay. Axis Bank Quarter 1 financial year 25 results. Net profit increased 4% to rupees 6,035 crores.
नेक्स्ट.
Federal Bank Quarter 1 results. Net profit increased 18% to rupees 1,010 crores.
इसको थोड़ा पढ़ो. प्राइवेट सेक्टर लेंडर.
Private sector lender Federal Bank clocked 18.3% growth in the net profit rupees 1,010 crore in the first quarter of financial year 25 from the year ago period on the back of healthy growth in net interest income. Net interest income improved 19% year on year to rupees 1,919 crore, while other income increased by 25% to rupees 915 crore. Its gross non-performing assets declined to 2.11% in June 2024 from 2.38% a year ago. Subsequently, it was flat as compared to 2.13% in March 2024. Net NPA slipped to 0.6% in quarter under review from 0.69% in year-ago period. Subsequently, net NPA were flat at 0.6% in March 2024.
Correct. Continue. Privatization.
Privatization of two public sector banks still on Modi 3.0 government agenda.
Please read. The center.
The center has stayed at announcement of privatization of two public sector banks, told Business Today TV on Wednesday. Until the end of May, it was reported that the center was keen to merge public sector banks PSB in financial year 25. Sources added disinvestment pipeline to the determined by the situation of market. Earlier the day, Finance Secretary TV Somnathan said that the government will not re-announce the timing of its disinvestment plans for year 25, ensuring its best value for public companies. The union budget for the second consecutive year did not mention the term disinvestment. This indicates the Modi 3.0 government continued emphasis on increasing the worth of central public enterprises instead of disinvesting proportion of their equity holdings.
Continue.
Over 70% intraday traders suffered losses during financial year 2023, reveals SEBI study.
Okay. Next.
US Treasury warns India's bank about business with Russia.
Okay. Continue.
Focus on affordable housing infrastructure bodes well for realty sector.
Okay.
Taxpayer can opt for Vivad as Vishwas scheme for December 31, CBDT chairman.
Okay. Continue.
Reworking of long-term capital gain norms to benefit middle class, says finance minister.
Yeah. Next.
Bankers hope tax changes make FDs more attractive.
Please read in her budget speech.
In her budget speech on Tuesday, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman proposed to hike the short-term capital gains tax on a listed equity instruments or to 20% to 15%, long-term capital gains on listed equity instruments and specified financial and non-financial assets have been removed, have been hiked to 12.5% from 10%. Moreover, the indexation benefit has now also been removed from the assets for computing long-term capital gains, which will disallow any inflation adjustment. Increasing the tax outgo, the increase in short-term and long-term equity capital gains taxes and discontinuation of indexation benefits for property sales have reduced the regulatory arbitrage that other investments had over deposits, potentially drawing more for future savers to traditional banking instruments.
Okay. Please study what is repo rate.
Repo rate is 6.50%. FTF is 6.25%. MSF and bank rate is 6.75%. CRR is 4.50% and SLR is 18%.
US dollar is equal to
83.7028 rupees.
Pound sterling.
Sorry, sir, this is not visible properly.
Pound sterling
Okay.
is 107.84.
107.8477 and
Yeah.
euro is 90.7746.
And then Japanese yen, 100 Japanese yen is
Japanese
equal.
yen is 54.1400.
Yeah.
Sensex is dropped by 280.16 points and Nifty is dropped by 65 points.
Yeah.
And Bank Nifty is
minus 461.
Yes.
The present figure is 80,148, 24,413, and 51,317. Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Best wishes. So now